Welcome to Sai Brothers Vlog. Now we are going to do the mixing. 2 spoons of curd. Done. இப்போ நான் So this how
Garam masala.
garam masala. Now I'm going to add garam masala. But now we are going to add turmeric. Hey, now we are going to add chili powder. Chili powder. Garam masala. Now we are going to add salt. Salt. Salt power. Salt power. We are going to add chili paste and ginger garlic paste. Ma, garam masala madkudu. Now we are going to mix it well. Honey பண்ணிக்கிறியா நம்மளுக்கு Now I'm going to add pepper and jeera powder. My hands are dirty, so my mother is going to put it. Not potato. That now I added pepper and jeera powder. Looks nice now. Chop onion, capsicum. Now lemon juice. Lemon squeeze. Squeeze lemon. Shut. Now we're going to mix it. Ready to marinate. Chicken leeks. Tikka. Paneer tikka. Paneer tikka. The paneer tikka should get marinated to 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Now the paneer tikka is ready to fry. Fry. Yep. Paneer. Bundu bele. Now we're going to test the paneer tikka. Paneer tikka. Now I'm going to test it. அப்புறம் என்ன சாப்பிட்ட அப்புறம் இரு நானும் சொல்றேன். Friends, try. Yummy. So bye friends. Bye friends. See you in the next vlog. See you in the next vlogs.